March 6, 2018. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She just bought a new refrigerator, and I guess the guys went to go hook up the water line, and it's got a kink to it. So, they want me to go over there and change out the copper water line. Little quarter-inch. Turn right. Little quarter-inch water line, you know, water maker. So I got that stuff in the truck. Go over there and give it the old gun there, Mama. The old gun there. We're supposed to be getting a northeaster coming in tomorrow, so I don't know. They're saying maybe a foot of snow. That should be interesting. Probably be all rain. Well, we'll see. So I found it down here and it goes up right there. I'll get my light. We'll replace it.
The kids like it, and they like coming back here.
Yeah, so this has to run along the floor all the way over and then down over there somewhere.
Okay.
Because that's where the line comes up. So I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this and put a coupling on it and put a new piece. But this is too short. I'll put a longer piece on it for you.
You think we're going to get this on a storm?
That's what they're saying. We're going to get a storm. So the tree blew down in the front there, huh? I mean, part of it.
Yeah, bigger one in the back.
A lot of wind, huh?
They said it was hurricane.
75 miles an hour, I mean.
90.
90?
That's what they're telling me.
Maybe over down here next to the water it was.
Where do you live?
I live over by UMass.
Where?
Next to the mall. North Armit. Next to the mall.
Where?
Next to the mall.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Did you lose your power?
I got a generator.
Well, good for you. Does your generator make a lot of noise?
Yeah, they all do.
That's what my son told me. Where did you like your generator?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it? Because I don't have a generator.
No, I got one that's hooked up to you know, to the gas pipe. So if something happens, it comes on automatically.
Well, that's what I need.
You know.
How much did it cost you? Do you mind if I ask?
I think I got it for like $7-8 grand, but then I had to put it all together. My kid works at Lowe's.
If you did it, you installed it yourself.
I installed it myself. Had an electrician come. You know, it's kind of a lot. It's kind of a big job, but it's worth it when you lose power in a hurricane. You know.
Oh yeah, I just spent 2 days freezing to death. I was never so cold. I've been on cold weather.
You didn't have no power, right?
No, for 2 days.
2 days.
I spent the night with all kinds of blankets on. I was still cold. I put my clothes on the next morning and they were cold. I went out and sat in my car, which has one of those heating systems where it heats the seats in the car.
Oh yeah.
And spent about 10 minutes trying to get warmed up. Ugh.
Yeah, that's how come you didn't go to your kid's house?
Pardon?
Why didn't you go to your kid's house?
Why didn't I go to whose house?
Why didn't you go to your kid's house?
Oh, well, I've got a son across the street.
You want to rough it out, huh?
Well, anyway.
How old are you now?
How old am I? I'm 96.
96?
I'm about to be 97.
Wow, good for you.
So
I mean, you're living by yourself?
yeah, and I don't recommend it.
Boy, you're doing all right.
Well, I'm still alive.
Wow, 97. Now you know spring chicken.
I know, I'm no spring chicken.
Man, I'd probably never make it that far.
Well, you know, it's hard if you don't. It's hard when you do it. I'm losing my hearing. That's the thing that's driving me nuts.
Yeah, I could
That
tell.
happened just in the last year or so.
We'll make you a nice little service loop here, so.
I got one son in Greece.
In Greece?
He called me this morning at 9 o'clock. I said, for God's sake, you woke me up. He's sitting on the harbor in Greece, and it's a beautiful day and everything. I almost hung up on him.
What time did he call you?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
He woke me up.
Unbelievable. I fell for that, and I'll be good.
The CERN plumbing's all Chinese. I don't understand.
I got some 1/4" stuff here, nuts and ferrules and stuff if I need them, so. Cup ones and stuff. 1/4" nut, and I'll grab a ferrule here. That's what I need. Hello! Should be good. Got the glasses right here. Can't see them. Can't see without them. Alright, we'll turn it on and we'll see what happens. Alright, we'll turn it on and we'll see. We'll turn it on and see if we got any leaks. show you why I didn't change the pipe. The refrigerator's over here somewhere. This old finished ceiling. And this is where the shutoff is, over here. It runs up over here and then must run along the floor. We'll turn it on, we'll see if we got any water up there. But it goes up here and must run along the floor under the cabinets or something and then over. Alright, I don't see no leak, so that's going to do it.
The trouble is, it's that little, it's that little thing right here. It's heavy.
Oh, that little plastic thing?
Yeah.
What is that? Like
Oh,
a,
it's just a
like a
molding.
stick or something.
It's a molding around there.
A molding,
They put
right.
This is Home Depot's idea. I'm not very happy with it.
That's it. That's as far back as it goes right there.
I know. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
And there's a little mold in there. Oh yeah, there's a little mold in there.
Yeah.
Right, so it works. You got your water right here. Okay?
They say run it several times before you use it.
Yeah, I would run it. I'd run some of the ice. See what they got for ice. I'll take all this apart for her. Get this all ready to go. I'd run a couple of batches of ice through it, you know? The ice maker. And that should be it. It should start making ice now. And then you could, it will start making it now. And then you could, after it makes the ice, you could, you know, put it through there and catch some. Okay?
Okay.
But that definitely had a kink in it. You could see right there where it was kinked.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yeah. See it right there?
Yep, I see it. Yeah,
Okay?
I see it.